Okay, very good morning, my dear students of class 7th. So, this was the homework which I gave yesterday, but I don't know how many of you have done it properly. Okay, so now you solve the questions. There are 5 questions, then I will show you the answer. You can do the self checking, and then there will be Kahoot competition. So, finish it up fast, and there will be Kahoot quiz competition. Okay, and we will get today's Kahoot. So the first question, he has not broken this toy, he has not told to do that. So which conjunction we must use to join these sentences? Tell me.
Since.
Which one? Which conjunction is
Sir,
required
since.
to join this sentence?
Sir, neither. Neither he has. No, sir,
Okay.
not neither. No, 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 not
Sir,
neither.
since.
Uh, since actually it will be used for another sentence. Okay.
Sir, first one you are asking.
Yeah, he has not broken this.
So that. So that.
No, no.
Sir, nor.
Sir, though.
Though.
Neither nor is exactly correct answer.
Sir, how it will be correct? Neither he has not broken his toy.
Yes, yesterday I told this thing.
Sir,
Probably you
there is
have.
already not.
Yeah. See, when you get a negative point in the sentence, like not, so of course you should go with neither nor, and neither nor is already negative. That's why we have to omit not from the sentence. Okay,
Okay, sir.
not 2 times not, then it will become positive. So that's why, let me tell you the answer for the first question. Neither he has broken this toy, nor he has told to do that. Okay, so we have to omit, we have to remove not while we are using neither nor, because it itself neither nor itself negative, so we don't need to use 2 times not. Okay, okay, second one. I will be 25 years old, I will become a doctor. Now which conjunction is suitable for this?
When.
Yes,
When though.
exactly. This one is very easy. Okay, so solve it. Don't tell me the answer now. You just solve it. And yes, of course, in the next slide, answers are waiting for you. So do one thing. Uh, Turn on your camera and show me that you are writing. Show me your copy. Fast. Yes, I want to see your copy that you are writing. Okay, Parsh has turned on his camera. Beta, show me your copy. Okay. So this you have already done. Yes, you have sent me already. Yes. Tithi, Jia, Shubh, Adi, Navya, Shashan, Vedant, Divya, Sanskar, Jinisha. Okay, Piyush. Show me your copy, Piyush. Piyush Jain. Okay, this is your copy. But I couldn't see properly. Okay. Vedant Jain. Seriously, those who are not listening my instruction, they will be in problem definitely in final exam. Okay, Jinish,
Yes, sir.
show me your copy, Vedant, in which you are writing now.
सर अभी मैंने नहीं लिख पाया सर.
Try to speak in
सर कल
English.
सर
Sir.
yesterday I have absent in your class yesterday. In all class I have absent.
Why you were absent yesterday?
Ma'am, sir, there is problem of network also there.
There was problem of network.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today you just write the question, and you know what? You must watch the recorded live classes. Okay.
Sir, I have watched the recorded live. There is no recorded live of Sir English.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me
I
check the
have checked
portal.
yesterday.
Okay, let me check the portal. Okay, so can you do that this now? I mean, you have to join the sentences with the conjunction.
Sir, I have taken a screenshot. I write and send you.
Right now, you can also do that. No, I have given time.
Okay, sir.
Right now, you can also do it.
Okay, sir.
So write the sentences very fast. Okay.
Sir,
So
I have no pen, so I am writing with pencil.
you're writing with pencil. Okay, no problem. So Adijan, you have done. Adijan, 54. Okay, so only one student is visible now. Very good. Tithi, Shublunia, Deshna, Mahavir, Vanshika, Yashita. Yashita, are you there? Rishabh Chopra, Rishabh Jain, Harshit, Bhavya, Neil, Maulik, Darshanam, Nitya. Tithi, no response from Tithi. Okay. Shublunia, Mahavir, Sancheti.
सर
Yes, Harshit.
सर थर्ड वाला सेंटेंस समझ नहीं आया.
Third one is she has sung in the party. She is going to sing the song. So here you need to change the order of sentences. First of all, you have to write these sentences. She is going to sing the song. Then you have to apply conjunction. Then the first sentence will come. So you have to shuffle. You have to shuffle the sentence. Got it? Now you think which
यस सर.
conjunction is required to join these sentences.
यस सर.
Okay.
समझ आ गया.
Ah, yes. Very good. So other students are very passive today. No response, no question. I hope you.
Sir, when will you start Kahoot?
Yes, Bhavya Jain, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Where's the copy?
Sir, I am.
You are not writing.
नहीं सर, अभी लिख रहा हूँ.
Show me. Fast, fast. इसके बाद एक काहुट भी है. अगर टाइम नहीं बचेगा तो फिर काहुट भी नहीं खेल पाएंगे. जल्दी करो.
सर मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया हूँ, आपको भेज दूंगा.
नहीं, अभी आप यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट नाउ. ओके बेटा, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. आई नो यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. बहुत टफ नहीं है. द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. ओके.
यस सर.
And today's attendance is good. 25 students I can see. Arab is joining now. So late. Arab,
Yes, sir.
why are you late, beta?
Sir, network connection.
Have you completed this homework? You can see on the screen 5 questions to join with conjunctions. If you have not done, so you have to do it right now. And
Yes, sir.
those who are completing the homework, they will definitely get benefit of portfolio marks. Okay. And this is not for only English subject, for all the subjects. Yes, Shashan, how many you have done? I can see Shashan writing. Very good.
Sir, completed.
Okay, Parsh. Very good. Parsh is always prompt. This attitude is very nice, Parsh.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Yes, Bhavya, any problem? See, if you want any help, you can ask कि सर ये समझ नहीं आया, वो समझ नहीं आया. You can ask.
No, sir.
Don't be shy.
Sir,
Yes, Vedant.
sir, in this sentence, we have to, सर ये सेंटेंस में अपने को क्या बोलते हैं, फुल स्टॉप हटाना है कि उसको रहने देना है? सर ये
Okay.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को.
Let me tell you. Yes, stop laughing. Who is that?
सर हर्षित.
Okay, now all of you are muted. See. So here you can see that there are 2 sentences. He has not broken this toy, full stop. He has not told to do that. So there are 2 sentences and we have to join these 2 sentences into one sentence. So of course ये जो full stop है, ये पहला वाला full stop, ये तो हटेगा ही हटेगा, लेकिन आखिरी वाला नहीं हटता है, वो तो रहता ही है. ठीक है. अब ये दोनों सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए आई हैव टू यूज दिस वन, ये नीदर नॉर जो कंजंक्शन है उसका यूज करना होगा हमें. ठीक है. तो ये सेंटेंस जुड़ने के बाद आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग दीज सेंटेंसेस हाउ इट विल बी, ये कैसा होगा? नीदर ही हैज ब्रोकन दिस टॉय नॉर ही हैज टोल्ड टू डू दैट, फुल स्टॉप. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं. Neither he has broken this toy nor he has told to do that. ये तुम्हारा आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay, now you can unmute yourself, but don't create any noise. Well, so we have come to know that for the third question which conjunction is required. Next, question number 4. Raj had not brought any pen. I gave him a pen. So which is suitable to
So
join?
that.
So that.
Okay, nice. That
So that.
understood. Good. So that will be used. And the last one, question number 5. He ran very fast. He did not win the first prize. So which one is?
So.
Yes, my dear students, tell me.
Tho.
Though. Okay, I think it is absolutely right. Okay, so now tell me how many of you have finished your task, because next slide we are going to see the answers. Someone has left the class. Who is that?
Sir, you told the answer.
Yes. What did you say?
सर आंसर्स तो आपने बता ही दिए ना.
But you need to check watching my PPT. Okay. So yes, those who have finished
Sir, done.
me one by one, I will call your name. Listen, I will call your name and you have to.
Adi Jain.
Adi Jain done. Okay. Bhavya Jain. I think it's
Sir, done.
Bhavya done. Deshna. Deshna, are you there? I have doubt. She is not there. Divya Kothari.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Divya has done. Harshit. Yes, Harshit.
Sir, done.
Good. Jinisha.
Done, sir.
Jinisha.
Sir done. Sir done.
Okay, very slow in voice. Jia. Jia does not give any response. I don't know why.
Sir, I'm also done.
Sir
Okay,
done.
Deshna is saying done. Okay, good. Rishabh Chopra.
Sir, done.
Rishabh Jain.
Sir.
Rishabh.
I not answer.
Done, sir.
Okay. Mahavir has sent me message done. Okay, Vineet is saying my computer is living. Okay, I think network issue. Sanskar.
Sir, done.
Okay, Shashan.
Sir done.
Shubhlunia. Shubhlunia. Shubhlunia is showing.
Done.
Tithi. Tithi. No response from Tithi. Vanshika Pincha. Vedant Jain. Vedant Jain, to I think he has done. Yani Yashita.
Sir, you can change
Done,
the
sir.
slide.
Done, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to see the answers, and one thing you have to do, you have to send your answers in my WhatsApp in the WhatsApp group. ठीक है, जिस ग्रुप में आप लोग हो, बेस्ट बडीज, उस ग्रुप में सब अपना
सर, मैं नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, जो
Sir, parcel
ओके
भेज
जो ऐड
सकते हैं.
नहीं है पार्श्व से कांटेक्ट करो, ऐड हो जाओगे. आई थिंक पार्श्व एडमिन है उस ग्रुप का. चलो ठीक है, लेट अस सी द आंसर्स. यस, so these are the answers. Neither he has broken this toy nor he has told to do that. Okay, then next क्या हो जाएगा? I will become a doctor when I will be 25 years old. Clear? Next, third one, she is going to sing the song which she has sung in the party. Very simple. Fourth one, Raj had not brought any pen, so that I gave him a pen. And the fifth one, he did not win the first prize, though he ran very fast. So 5 out of 5. How many of you have got? Tell me. यार मैंने तो कुछ कुछ बता ही दिया था.
सर आपने सारे आंसर्स तो बता ही दिए थे.
हाँ ठीक है. अब चलो एक बार हम लोग काउट खेल लेते हैं फटाफट. 5 क्वेश्चन वहां भी है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक. So be ready with your Kahoot.
Sir, we are ready. Please show the game pen.
Sure. Just a sec. Come on. Fast. Share my screen. This is Kahoot. Net speed. Loading pane. So try to join very fast so that we can start the game and we can also end the game. Yes, this is the game pin 358 3746. 358 3746. Till now, I can't see any participant. Well, I hope you are trying to join. Okay, Divya, first participant. Divya, Parshva entered. Okay, Bhavya, Janisha, Adi. Good, good, good. Very good. What a speed. 9 participants. Mountain deer. Who's that? Mountain deer. Okay, gone. Navya, Vedant, Rishabh, Adi, Sanska, Janisha, Bhavya, Parshva, Divya. Okay, fast, 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 fast. 11 out of 22. I can see many of 3 students have left the class. I don't know
Minutes.
reason. Okay, 14 participants. I think I have to start with 14 participants. What do you say? Okay, 16. Good.
Sir, I am coming. Wait.
Do it fast better. If you have another mobile, then it is very nice. Use that another mobile.
Sir, I have done split screen.
Okay, you have done split screen. Good. That is good idea. Nice. Okay, 17 participants. Good. Out of 22. So 5 students are, I think they are trying to enter in the quiz. Okay, let us start then because we don't have much time.
Yes, sir. Start.
Yes, sir. Start.
Please,
Okay,
Rose.
Deshna, do it fast better. Deshna is saying, sir, please wait, but we have very less time. Okay, now one thing. Today, I want all of you, that you will get 5 out of 5. That I want. So before choosing the option, be very particular. क्योंकि quiz is not all about that, just participating. तो सीखना भी तो है उसमें. चलो 18, 19 participants I can see. Good, very nice. Out of 23, so
Sir, please start.
yeah, I'm going to start it. Yes, class 7th English conjunction. 3, 2, 1, start. This is the first question to you for double points. Fill in the blank. All questions are fill in the blank. I could not catch the bus dash I reached there on time. So that का T कट गया है पता नहीं कैसे. उसके बाद since, for and though. Okay, so 15 answers I have got. Very fast you are giving. 18 answers. Okay, I think 1 or 2 students are left. I could not catch the bus. Well, so the right option is though, of course, though, but I can see many of you have given wrong answer.
सर अभी एक एग्जांपल भी आया था आपकी वर्कशीट में.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Though you have done, you have given wrong answer. Okay. Scoreboard, what does it say? Deshna, Kalash, Yashi, Rishabh, Parsh. Okay, very good.
Sir, I'm Yashita.
Yes, Yashita.
It's not accepting my name Yashita, so I did it Yashi.
Okay. Next question. Question number. No one can solve this sum. Dash, this is the most complicated one. I think you are not watching the options. First option, since. Second option, and. Third option, because.
Sir,
And
it's
fourth
too
option,
easy.
yet. So no one can solve this sum. Dash, this is the most complicated one. So which one is most suitable option? First option in red color, that is since. Second option in blue color, that is and. Third option in yellow color, that is because. And fourth option in green color, that is yet. So if you ask me, I think the right answer is and. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's wrong.
Ah, yes, you don't ask me. If you ask me, then I will definitely give wrong answer. Okay. So, oh my
Sir,
God,
skip
we have
Sir,
10
I think all
minutes.
are done.
Yes, yes, we have only 10 minutes. Do it fast. I think 17 answers I have got. One or two students, most probably they are left. Okay, okay, okay.
sir,
So let us
21 हो
see.
गए अब.
Okay. So yes, this one was easy question and I can see 14 participants have given right answer. Good, good, good. Very good. Because is the right option. Most suitable option. So top, well, yes, there is a shuffle I can see. Deshna, Yashita, Rishabh, Kalash, Harshit. Harshit has entered. कोई बात नहीं. Rishabh भी है, खेल रहा है. Good. Next, third question. Again, fill in the blank. But there are two blanks. Dash, I am going to take the risk of going outside. Dash my family members. Dash, I am going to take the risk of going outside. Dash my family members. Option, not only but also. Second option, neither nor. Third option, both. Fourth option, no sooner than. So if we use first option, so the sentence will be, not only I am going to take the risk of
I
going
think I
outside,
clicked
but
the
also
wrong
my family
answer.
members.
It is sorry.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
So 8 students are confused with first option. Beta also set नहीं हो रहा.
Sir, was it positive sentence or negative? ये भी
It is
बता
negative
देते.
sentence. Okay. Need
I thought it was
take the
positive,
risk.
so I go for.
But see, if you use not only but also, so the sentence will.
Sir, it is written risk.
Ah, yes, it is written risk, and just you see, if not only but also, the sentence will be meaningless. Not only I'm going to take outside, but also my family members. तो कोई sense नहीं बन रहा है. Nonsense है ना. तो next 5 list देखते हैं. Yes, Yashita 5766 point. Then Jinisha,
Okay.
very good. Jinisha has entered. Harshit ऊपर आए हैं बेटा. दिव्य आ गया है. आदि जैन. बाकी लोग कहाँ गए? ओके, बाकी लोग अपना होंगे. हाँ, तो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. छत्तीसगढ़ इज डैश अ स्टेट ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी dash rich in natural resources. So again, you can see these are correlative conjunction है ना. Correlative conjunction है ना ये सब.
Yes, sir.
तो पहला ऑप्शन है both and. सेकेंड ऑप्शन है not only but also. थर्ड ऑप्शन either or and फोर्थ ऑप्शन neither nor. तो अगर हम लोग पहला वाला ऑप्शन यूज करते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ इज बोथ a state of diversity and rich in culture resources, हो सकता है.
सर ऑप्शन ए बी का दोनों का तो सेम ही मीनिंग होगा ना.
ऑप्शन ए एंड बी का सेम मीनिंग नहीं होता है बेटा, अलग होता है. Okay, if you go with second option, so the sentence will be Chhattisgarh is not only a state of diversity but also rich in natural resources. अगर हम
Sir, skip.
थर्ड ऑप्शन देखते हैं तो either or.
सर skip करो ना.
Okay, we have time, don't worry. Yes, good. I can see 12 participants have given right answer, but I'm a little bit sad that 6 students have given wrong answer. I thought कि एक क्वेश्चन तो ऐसा होगा जिसमें सबका सही आंसर आएगा. Let us see. बट उसके पहले टॉप 5 लिस्ट देखते हैं. Yes, काफी चेंजेस है. यशिता, जिनिशा, दिव्य, ऋषभ, महावीर. क्या बात है, महावीर एंटर कर लिए, बट महावीर का रिस्पांस बहुत कम आता है. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन एंड दिस विल अनाउंस द विनर ऑफ टुडेस क्विज. So dash, it is being taught by the teacher. We must be able to solve the question. So choose the correct option. think once before you give the answer. Dash, it is being taught by the teacher, we must be able to solve the question. So the first option is since, second option for, third option but, and fourth option yet. Okay, I think but is correct. But it is being taught by the teacher. We must be able to solve the question.
Sir,
Okay.
skip.
Uh,
Sir, skip.
one
Sir, skip.
student is left, I hope. Okay,
सर हो
19.
गया
Yes, we have still 4 minutes. Well. Out of 20 students, I can see 14 have given right answer. That's pretty cool. Now it is time to know today's Kahoot. In third position, Rishabh. And second position, runner-up, Jinisha. And the winner is
Me.
Yashita. 9612. Fourth position, Mahavir. Fifth position, Harshit. Okay.
सर आज पार्ट्स में नहीं है लग
5
रहा
out
है
of 5. Yashita and Jinisha both have got 5 out of 5. But Yashita has taken less time than Jinisha. That's why she is at the top. And Rishabh, 4 out of 5. That is also good.
सर आज पार्ट्स नहीं आया
I think
Yes,
there is network
Yes,
problem or
sir.
something else.
क्लास में है
सर शायद कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम होगा
It can be. Okay, so in the next class we will start another chapter from English grammar. Okay. Okay, Parsh.
ग्रुप में ऐड कर
Bye, sir.
Have a nice
Yes.
Bye, sir.
And send
बाय
your
सर
homework
बाय बाय
in the
बाय
group.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Send the
Bye,
homework in the
sir.
group.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.